Okay, what do you got next, Will?
Watching
the ball juggling from above. Okay.
I thought this was kind of cool. Like, you just see juggling normally all the time and how it works, but having a top down of the balls,
Whoa, it seems like they're floating.
it's a pretty cool
Whoa.
perspective.
This is... I mean, juggling's impressive.
It's
as
also
it is.
slow-mo, too, right now,
It is, yeah.
which is extra floaty.
Did you guys see that? That was amazing.
Well, yeah, I mean, she's also an amazing juggler. Yeah, no. Yeah.
There's no reaction from you two. This goes behind the back.
Yeah, it's very impressive, though.
But funny enough, it's almost more hypnotizing when it's simple like this.
When it's like almost floating.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When she keeps the height at a lower range.
Mm-hmm. Ready? Oh my God.
Yeah, just the change of an angle. It's pretty cool.
Way to go, Will.
Yeah.
It's good.
Not bad.